How to unblock someone on Plex. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Are you using Plex and want to unblock a friend or users you've previously blocked? If yes, then follow through the steps till the end. Launch open the Plex application to get started and log into your account like you normally do. Once you're inside the home page of Plex, go to the upper right corner and tap on your name, initial, or your profile icon. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, click on Friends. Inside the Friends tab, go to the top right and look for Blocked Accounts and tap on it, and all of the contacts that you've blocked will be displayed on the list. To unblock the contact or to remove them from block list, click the Unblock button right next to their name. Now confirm by tapping Unblock in the pop-up, and you have successfully unblocked the person on Plex. Unblocking does not automatically restore friend status. If you previously removed them as a friend, you may need to send a friend request again so that you can add them as your friend again. So that's how you successfully unblock someone on Plex. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.